right. Back to our stuff. This next one's called Blossoms. Special before you went, we told everybody. At school, having found the words to play but I want you to be my friend again. Wasted all your 7 days, get ahead of me. There's something I should have said. Oh yeah, but I want you to be my friend again. And I won't be ashamed of you like that. I want you to be so cool again. Be my friend again, and I won't be ashamed of you like that, and I won't need to be so